What's up, guys? We're back with another video. And today, my volume's all the way down. I can't hear a thing. Okay, we're back with another video, and today we're playing boat race. If you guys want to see more of boat race, well, it's not really called the game. Oh gosh. Pause time. Gotta get these guys. Oh, I killed Bob. This is okay. A headless Bob's okay. We don't really. He didn't really need his head. Did he? Okay, now we just need to go into here. Wrong thing. Go into here. Get the 64 thing. Okay, we're good now. Hopefully. Yeah, we're good. Get the boat stay together. So guys, vote or you think who's gonna win. Okay, wait, let's make all unique. Okay, each one's gonna have a different type of guy in it. Now. Those bobs. Okay, wait, we should actually make it unique. We have the headless one. Let's go to this one. So we got the bob with 2 bobs. We got the headless bob. We got the bob with 3 bobs. And then we just got the 1 bob. Wait, I think we have more on the side. Yes, we do. This guy, I have a monster inside him. Look at this, a stick man. 2 stick man in here with him. Okay. What's the steak in the box, my guys? Okay, there we go. Ready? And we're good now. Poor Mr. Bob's just showing in there from Mr. Henry's. A bunch of Henrys. Okay. Who you vote? Pick your votes in the comments. Give you 10 seconds to do it. Well, actually, just pause the video right now and then pick your thing. Starting right now. Okay, okay, did you place your votes? These 2 Henry guys will just be running around in the water slowly. We're gonna pause time, right? Whoever gets first place. Wait, I'm actually gonna do this real quick. Okay, yeah, never mind, didn't mean to do that. Okay, that's it. I'm getting rid of it like this. Okay, do this real quick. Okay, now, we're gonna do this. Ready? First place. Second place. And third place. I think that's good, right, guys? First place, second place, third place. Okay, who will get... Okay, place your votes. And we're gonna be starting in 3, 2, 1. Race has started. The race is on the move now, boys. Hopefully you guessed right. There's a bob in the water. Is that the one with the 3 bob? No, there's the head. Oh wait, is that the head of that bob? I doubt it. Because okay, we're sinking through slowly. I feel like these guys are not really gonna make it in the back. Well, these guys are running. This dude's railing is running. At least they got partners. So let's zoom out. Let's go to this. Give me nothing. That one guy's thinking smartly, he's hiding out there. Where'd the other Henry go? Oh, there's the other one. We got first place for Well, I've got the characters for, like, first place. This dude's not really first place because he's not really in the boat. I don't even know where you came from. He's drowning. He's slowly. Surely. Oh, well. Here goes Mr. Bob. Goodbye, Mr. Bob. Goodbye. We are no one loved you either way. Okay, wait. Let's get out of here real quick. Who will be first place? Looks like we got the double teams in the lead. Oh no, Headless Bob. These guys are like stuck back here. Let me help them out quick. Got this guy pull him up a little bit more. Right there. Pull this guy. Pull him a little more up here. Push that extra boat that way. There we go. Oh, good. I need to quickly get down here. I don't know if you're first place or there yet. Okay, we got the two teams of Bob right there. They're just chilling there. Oh no, we got the Headless. Oh no, they're still connected. Oh, we gotta fight. Oh my gosh, we just gotta fight. We got a fight there. Look at that. They're fighting each other off. Okay, it looks like our winner is number 2, maybe. I don't know. If he doesn't get stuck. Or break. Looks like those Bobs are dying. Oh. Looks like contestant. Whatever is coming in. Oh, wait. Oh, rush. Okay, save him. Pause. Okay, let's quickly do this. Go over here, really, and then put the line right there, the little line, so they don't go over it. The extra water doesn't go over it. Okay. Okay, bring them up a little bit more. Okay. Oops, but we got first place, the second guy. Okay, you know what? Actually, I might let them die. Just like let them die there. Okay, let's let them die. Okay. Let's get my racing finger. Race. Okay, so we got the 2 Bobs. Put the 2 Bobs up here. Okay, so first place was the 2 Bobs. Second place was 1 Bob. And third place was the 3 Bobs. Yeah, because those other guys blew up. Yep, so well. So guys, if you guess number 1 Bob, the 2 Bobs, or the 3 Bobs, you guess number 1, the 2 Bobs, were right. And if you're right, comment down below. Comment down below anything like you want to say about this game. Thunder. If you guess number 2, just wait. If you guess number 1, say first place. If you guess number 2, say second place. And if you got number 3, you always know. You will know now. Comment number 3. Now let's just do some fun real quick. Okay, let's leave this real quick. If I can head home. This main menu. Yeah. Okay. Simulations. We got a sandbox real quick. We got all of these. We can do this one real quick. It's over here in the box, not gonna lie. Okay, quickly, let's do like a little zippity-zizzle thing right here. This guy. Okay, that's good. Okay, there we go. Okay, then we're just gonna probably get a water. Let's get some circle. There we go. Hopefully the little guys hit those. Okay, let's quickly make like just like a tiny little home here. Tools. I don't know what the nuke does. A little house here. Put it right there. Dink. And while we're at it, let's get them trees, palm trees. Well, all the palm trees got cut down because that dude doesn't like palm trees for some reason. But now let's get a big ship in here and test it real quick. Okay, let's let's test the first tester. Let's test this guy. Oh, what's these?
How are you?
Hello, Papa. Say hi to you. Say hi.
Hi.
If you like this adorable person, say hi. Say hi to the viewers.
Hi.
See, look at that. Say subscribe. Subscribe. Are you guys listening to ready? Say subscribe, Caleb. Say subscribe.
Happy.
Yeah, sub to this channel. You guys ain't subbed yet. Okay, now let's get some bobs in there.
See.
Bobs?
See.
Not mobs. Bobs. Get some cool little bobs in here. Okay, yeah, you can see. Bob right there. Bob. 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 No one's supposed to be on the top deck. Let's just get this guy. Let's just see a little purple hole. Let's see, guys. There's like 2 guys chilling back here. Let's get like 4 guys just chilling up here like a party. And now time to get the weights in, guys. Oh, bless you.
Thank you. Welcome.
Okay,
Sure.
Okay, you want it to sink? Yeah, sink. Well, it's sinking now, Caleb. Looks like those people are gonna drown. Oh gosh, this is actually a heavy ton weight. Oh gosh. It's sinking pretty fastly, Caleb. Oh. Don't hit me, please. Okay, now it's supposed to be filling up, I think. Okay, let's add another weight about like right here. Okay, now push it down a little bit more because it lost the weight in the front. It's like, it's literally ripped the wood out. That one guy somehow still alive, but they're not gonna be alive for a while. Okay, let it sink. Okay, add another weight right there. Okay, that whole part's like filled up. Oh, whoa. Okay, let's add another part right there. Oh, it's breaking it. It's breaking it. Oh, jeez, it's shattering it! Well, that was confusing. So let's add another weight right here. It's just... Okay, so first boat underwater. It did not really survive 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weights.
Wow, yeah.
Let's weigh this whole thing down. Let's move the weights. Oh, it's a... Jeez, that 10 weight launches stuff. Jeez. That 10 weight likes to launch. Oh, dude, look out, you're gonna have some water hit your house. Alright, here we go. And... Bloosh. Oh, goodbye, house. I don't know, look at this, I don't know. Look at this just plummet through the water, guys. He's gonna push the whole, surface right there. Look at that. Wait, my question, what if we dropped one in? Time to drop one in. Nuke incoming! not see what that thing. Okay, next boat. Okay, let's put the next boat. Oh,